The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware until 5:30 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Middletown, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Middletown, Delaware City, St. George's, Port Penn, Mount Pleasant, Bear, Glasgow, Taunton, and Odessa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware,